Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer project metrics into Looker Studio, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Looker Studio in your browser. Log in with your Google account. Once logged in, click on the Create button in the top left corner. Select Report from the drop-down menu. After the new report opens, you'll see an option to add data. Click on Add Data to open the Data Source dialog. In the Data Source section, click on Google Sheets if your project metrics are stored there. Authorize Looker Studio to access your Google Sheets if prompted. Select the specific Google Sheet that contains your project metrics. Click on Connect in the top right corner after selecting your Google Sheet. Once connected, you will see a preview of your data. You can now adjust data types if necessary to ensure accuracy. After reviewing your data, click on Add to Report to include it in your Looker Studio report. Your data is now available in the report, ready for visualization. To create a chart, click the Add a Chart option from the toolbar. Choose the type of chart that best represents your project metrics. Drag the desired chart onto your report canvas. Select the data fields you want to visualize from the right panel. Adjust the chart settings to customize its appearance. Repeat these steps for any additional metrics you wish to display. Once you are satisfied with your report, click on Share in the top right corner. Select how you want to share your report with others. Your project metrics are now successfully transferred and visualized in Looker Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.